Hi, my name is Shai. I'm the owner of Together is Better Design and Build. Let's see the new project that we have, kitchen remodeling. Let's go inside. We replace the door. The door is closed here. We open it to close outside, so it's not gonna hit the cabinet. A slab all over, no seam, no nothing. If you can see, everything is smooth, everything is nice. New cabinet, everything is door. We design all the kitchen. We're doing like tile floor, okay, hexagon, so it's very detailized. So the space between the tile is gonna be the same space for any kind of the tile. We move the washer and dryer over there, and we doing like new space for the refrigerator. We move the panel box to the outside. The tile is gonna be from the countertop to the ceiling, floating shelf, lights, under cabinet lights with a dimmer so you can control about the lights. We add a fan. We close windows, standing hood. Everything is done in 1 month with inspection. Follow us for more projects.